Understanding Alias Used, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, alias used. This is a commonly used term in English, especially in contexts involving identity, pseudonyms, or alternate names. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and some interesting examples. Stay tuned to enhance your English vocabulary. The phrase, alias used, refers to the use of an alternate name or pseudonym instead of one's real name. An alias is a name that a person might use for various reasons, such as privacy, anonymity, or as part of their profession. This section will explore the different contexts where an alias might be used and why. Here, we will look at real-life examples of alias used. For instance, authors often use pen names, celebrities might have stage names, and individuals may use aliases online for privacy. We'll discuss how these aliases function and their significance in each context. Alias used can also have legal connotations. It's important to understand when it's legally acceptable to use an alias and when it's not. This section will delve into legal perspectives and the importance of distinguishing between legitimate use and misuse of aliases. Now, let's practice using alias used in sentences. We will provide various examples to show how this phrase can be incorporated into everyday conversation or writing, enhancing your practical understanding and usage of the term. There are some common misunderstandings about the use of aliases. In this part, we will clarify these misconceptions and provide clear distinctions to ensure you're using alias used correctly and confidently in English. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, alias used. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in expanding your understanding of English phrases. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video for a quick refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.